Hi, I'm Hitesh, the founder of AdvisorCRM. In this video, I just want to walk you through the solution and how we help financial advisors add 60 million plus AUM to their pipeline. So when you log into the software, the first thing you can do is see a dashboard. This is going to give you kind of a good overview of all your marketing efforts and kind of general sort of status and performance. If you then head over to opportunities, this is where you're going to see all your leads and all your pipeline sort of in one place. You'll know exactly the stage the leads are in, as well as kind of other additional information around the lead itself. So if we go into one of these, for example, you'll be able to see all the lead details, your name, email, phone number. You'll see the full conversation history from the emails and texts that have been sent out, as well as sort of texts back and even emails from the leads too. The leads can actually call the system back, which will also get redirected to your mobile. You can add tasks and notes just to monitor progress as well. All these swim lanes are customizable based on your sales process, but this should give you a really good idea in terms of how you can actually maximize your lead generation, follow-up, and close more deals too. Having done lead gen for five plus years for financial advisors, we've also included ready-to-use funnels. So everything from sort of retirement planning, pension consolidation, and all of these are ready for you to kind of jump in and configure as you see accordingly. So you can change the text, you can add images, change the forms, and away you go. We've also included sort of ready-to-use email marketing and text message marketing. So for each of the funnels that we've got, we've included proven sort of email and texts to come, say, 401k campaigns or pension consolidation. They also come ready with lead bangers that we've used for our clients over the years for you to kind of rewrite or reconfigure if you like and use in the campaigns too. We've also got a number of lead nurture campaigns which allow you to sort of nurture leads already and for a longer period of time, and all you need to do really is come in and configure the emails accordingly as well. In addition to this, you can add sort of additional things such as a live chat to your website. You can manage your reviews with the platform, and you can do lots more. I hope you found this short demo useful, and hopefully you can see how powerful it will be to not only managing your leads, but really adding and growing to your assets under management.